People think about that period as a time when Yiddish was suppressed. Did you see that play out around you in terms of the language that people were choosing to create work in?
The people I knew functioned, many of the people I knew functioned in Yiddish, so it was a given as far as I was concerned. There was nothing with the bureaucratic wars around it, perhaps, but at the same time, it was a language of home for a lot of people. It was well known, for instance, that Levi Eshkol, when he was prime minister, half the discussions that took place, maybe not half, but there was a lot of Yiddish interjected. So Yiddish in terms of officialdom was one thing. In terms of real life, it was all over. People approached you in Yiddish and asked for directions. Especially if you were an older person, not a kid, and especially in Tel Aviv, probably more so. Of course, if you went to a kibbutz or you went to a moshav where there were no survivors, then you did not have it. I have a good friend, both her parents were born just a little younger than me, not that much. Both her parents were born in Israel. And she told me she grew up, she never heard of it, in Netanya. She never heard a word of Yiddish. She didn't even know it existed, in fact. That was not my case.